Breaking overnight, federal health officials are casting doubt on the results of a new AstraZeneca study that we told you about yesterday. And our Dr. David Agus joins us now. David, good morning to you. This is highly concerning. Yesterday, it sounded like the vaccine was headed for approval. And then I should say the word concerning comes up in this overnight statement from a review board. What can you tell us?
Yeah, it's concerning to me, too. And so the Data Safety Monitoring Board is a board that's set up independent of the pharmaceutical company to look at the data in the trial and to make sure that everything is correct and that there aren't major side effects and that the efficacy is reported as appropriate. Well, last night they reported that AstraZeneca had put out data from March 11th, when there was data going all the way to March 16th. And there are 141 events reported in the clinical trial. And apparently there were more cases of COVID that were possible or probable over those next several days, which would have brought down the efficacy number by almost 10%. And so this certainly brings, question into the data reporting, into what's going on here. And, when I look at this, this is the dominant vaccine in the world, and we've just questioned the data around it again.
So that's an important point, Dr. Agus. This is being used widely outside of the United States. We already have 3 vaccines here within the U.S. So what does this mean for the global supply?
It's certainly scary, and that countries like, Europe have put it on hold for a potential blood clot issue that turned out not to be the case, we are told. We need this vaccine to get out of COVID globally, in Europe and Africa especially.
Yeah, we need it to get out of COVID globally. That's the key point. Dr. David Agus, thank you very much. We will see you again in our next hour to talk about another part of this pandemic, life after vaccination, for those who have been lucky enough to receive their shots. Thank you very much.